Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hope to Glow. Hope you all are doing well. Kids, today we will learn pet animals name. You know what are pet animals? Kids, pet animals are animals that we can kept in our home. Kids, in ancient time, humans have been keeping some animals as a pet. No matter what animal a person keeps, he keeps it only for the fulfillment of some purpose. Every pet's job is different. Like some animals are bred for milk, some for transporting from one place to another, and also for the protection of the house. In today's time, people have started keeping some animals to fulfill their hobbies like cats, rats, rabbits, parrots, turtles. So today we will learn pet animals name in English and as well as in Urdu. So let's get started. Dog, kutta, dog, kutta, dog, kutta. Basically, in previous time, dog was kept for the protection of house. Cat, billy, cat, billy, cat, billy, cat, billy, cow, गाय, cow, गाय, cow, गाय, buffalo, भैंस, buffalo, भैंस, buffalo, भैंस, goat, बकरी, goat, बकरी, goat, बकरी, sheep, भेड़, sheep, भेड़, sheep, भेड़, monkey, monkey, बंदर, monkey, बंदर, monkey, बंदर, rabbit, खरगोश, rabbit, खरगोश, rabbit, खरगोश, rabbit, खरगोश, rat, चूहा, rat, चूहा, rat, चूहा, elephant, हाथी, elephant, हाथी, elephant, हाथी, horse, घोड़ा, horse, घोड़ा, horse, घोड़ा, donkey, गधा, donkey, गधा, donkey, गधा, camel, ऊंट, camel, ऊंट, camel, ऊंट, bull, बैल, bull, बैल, bull, बैल, hen, मुर्गी, hen, मुर्गी, hen, मुर्गी, duck, बत्तख, duck, बत्तख, duck, बत्तख, pigeon, कबूतर, pigeon, कबूतर, pigeon, कबूतर, pigeon, कबूतर, turtle, कछुआ, turtle, कछुआ, turtle, कछुआ. Fish, मछली, fish, मछली, fish, मछली. Snakes, सांप, snake, सांप, snake, सांप. Kids, so these were pets animal that we can kept in our home for any purpose or for hobby. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the video. If you have any idea, any suggestion, please comment us in comment box. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.